the Treasury Bills market sustained the bullish momentum from last week, pushing liquidity levels further. Traders at Axis Bank observed investors' interest in the April 2024 maturities. Kolawole Komolafe, Treasury team member at Axis Bank, joins me for some market updates. Kolawole, thank you for joining us today. Let's get right to it. Talk to us about the mixed sentiments that we're seeing at the market. Take us through this various segments of the market, starting with the money market.
Hi, Esther. Thank you for having me. So, starting the week, we saw system liquidity decrease to close at the credit, to open with a credit of 443 billion naira. This is in contrast to opening figures on Friday, where we saw system levels at 980 billion. This was also due to a couple of factors. We had the bi-weekly retail SMIs conducted by the CBN on Friday. We also had the debit for the NTB auction that was conducted last week Wednesday. So what we've seen this week is the open repo and overnight rate reduced by 163 basis points and 175 basis points respectively, to close at 11% and 11.38%. We expect those rates to remain at the same level, barring any significant funding activity. In the fixed income space for the Treasury Bills, we've seen active trading sessions as market participants try to fill their orders. We've seen a lot of buying request sentiment. However, there have been very few offers to match. We expect that rates would, in the secondary market, would remain at these levels for today and also to close the week. In the bond space, we've also seen some bearish undertones. We've seen that due to the system liquidity, we've had a lot of bids, but then we've had a lot of offers, but then we've had bids not matching them. So would expect those sentiments to remain as we close the week. On the FX space, we've seen the NAFEX appreciate by 7 kobo to close at 462 naira 63 kobo. On the IFX market also, we've seen it appreciate by 67 kobo to close at 462 naira.
Go ahead.
We've seen it close at 462 naira 33 kobo for today. We expect the CBN to conduct it to intervene in the SME and in visible space. We also see that rates would remain at that level today.
Oh, what about, projections for the state of liquidity in the market? Are you expecting liquidity levels to improve?
No, so we're not looking at any significant funding. It's going to be a stark contrast to what we had last week, where the system was awash with liquidity. For this week, it's just going to be maintained at the same level. We expect that the CBN would release its result for last week's auction on Friday.
All right, thank you so much, Kolawole, for your time today, taking us through activities at the fixed income and FX market here in Nigeria. Kolawole Komolafe, Treasury team member at Axis Bank.